Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we provide honest reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have an exciting board to talk about, the Cytron CM4 Maker Board. It offers a plethora of features and functionalities. But before you rush to buy one, there's an important thing to consider. Let's dive into the details and find out if it's the right choice for you. Cytron, known for its fun maker boards, has introduced the CM4 Maker Board. A versatile board designed specifically for the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. Packed with all the necessary connections for hats, sensors, and fast NVMe SSDs, this board aims to cater to the needs of makers. But does its versatility compromise its functionality? Let's find out as we take a closer look. As we unbox the CM4 Maker Board, we're greeted with Cytron's signature purple PCB. The well-labeled silk screen provides easy visibility of GPIO pin connections for ports and LEDs. The layout of this board resembles that of a typical PC motherboard rather than a single board computer. On one side of the board, you'll find all the main ports such as USB, Ethernet, and power. While it's great to have 4 USB 2 ports, it would have been even better to see a USB 3 port for high-speed storage. The opposite side houses the Maker ports, Cytron's term for Grove and Stemma QT connectors. While booting from the NVMe drive is slightly slower than from the eMMC. The real advantage of NVMe becomes apparent during general computing tasks. Thanks to its significantly higher sequential write speed. We also tested the board with a 64GB Class 10A1 SDXC card, which showed slower sequential write speeds. During camera testing, we encountered a small hiccup. It turns out the Compute Module 4 needs to be configured for camera use. After running the necessary script, we captured a clear image using the latest wide-angle camera Module 3 with autofocus. Unfortunately, we didn't have the opportunity to test the DisplayPort due to relocation. The Cytron CM4 Maker Board proves to be versatile and suitable for various projects, especially those that would typically utilize a Raspberry Pi Model B. However, it's important to note that the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 is often in short supply. So ensure you have one before purchasing this board. The CM4 Maker Board acts as a Swiss Army knife, performing multiple functions effectively rather than excelling in a single area. While the GPIO and Maker ports offer great flexibility, similar functionality can be achieved using hats on the Raspberry Pi. The inclusion of an NVMe slot is a valuable addition, providing faster access to Raspberry Pi OS. Overall, our experience with this board was enjoyable. Apart from a minor camera issue that required consulting the manual, the CM4 Maker Board performed admirably. If you're looking to use hats with your Compute Module 4, boot from NVMe, or utilize Stemma QT, Grove components, this board is an excellent choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various projects. Just make sure you have a specific project in mind before making your purchase. That concludes our review of the Cytron CM4 Maker Board. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, stay tech savvy.